This is Sydney, and yeah, it looks like you're getting the hang of getting the objects put in. I noticed it's looking very kind of tall and skinny compared to the reference, and then I noticed that your image plane itself has been scaled. I can see that this scale Y is different from this scale X and Z, and then so now you can see it's much kind of wider, more um, relative to the height when it's scaled correctly. And also this one is scaled disproportionately as well. And when you bring in an image plane, I mean, you can scale it by all means, but you need to scale it proportionally. Um, so that I didn't grab that image, but it's the same issue. So I think you worked from an image plane that had been scaled disproportionately, and as a result, the object is disproportionate. So I would go back over this and try to get it to match the correctly sized and with the correct aspect ratio of the reference image. Um, and yeah, again, I think a bit thicker here from the side. These, if we go and look at, say, here's some searches, you can see how kind of thick he is from the side view. So take a look at that. I think these feet can extend further over the back here, you know, and maybe even further over the front. So maybe more like that. And yeah, just a little bit more careful placement of these. I see a big overlap here of that arm with this, so I might adjust that. And same with this, we don't want to see those edges of that, so something like that. Um, yeah, you can adjust these. I think this either use a cylinder or a pipe for, but not a torus. So you might want to replace that. Yeah, and we'll do some of these things a little bit differently, but you'll see all of that in the next module. So yeah, the biggest thing is the differing proportions of the source image you're using, causing it to be sort of long and narrow like that. And you'll want to fix that up for the next submission.